News from Jammu and Kashmir. Roadblock hits apple supply in Kashmir. Thousands of tons of apples are now rotting in trucks stranded along the Srinagar-Jammu National Highway, closed for almost the past 20 days. Angry farmers are protesting the government's inaction as viral visuals show piles of spoiled apples dumped near the road. With Kashmir accounting for 80% of India's apple production, the prolonged closure has severely disrupted the supply chain, pushing growers to the brink of economic losses.
I'm at one of the largest fruit mandis of the Kashmir Valley here in Parampura, and around me these stacks that you're seeing is apple which is stuck, and the situation is such that the road closure, the Jammu-Srinagar National Highway that has been closed for the last 1 month, has led to a crisis as far as horticulture industry is concerned. Now, let me tell you, this is the real backbone of Kashmir's economy. Tourism obviously is hyped, but it is a 20,000 crore industry. Every year during this time, there is apple harvest, and right now also you go to the orchard areas, you go to the length and breadth of Kashmir, you will find only apples. Orchards are filled with apples. You have mandis which are jam-packed with these stacks with apples, and issue is that since the trucks are getting stuck and the apple is rotting, this is already leading to massive losses for the fruit growers, for the kisan who through the year works hard for this 15-20 day window, because right now what he does would everything will depend on that, his earnings and his loans and everything. Whatever he earns right now is what he'll spend throughout the year, be it his family, livelihood or paying the loans. But right now the situation is that apple is stuck. Tons and tons and tons of apple, be it orchards where it has been harvested or places like these. Now this is the delicious variety which ripens first, and this variety right now forms the most of the apple supply that is going out of Kashmir. Now other varieties will start, and this is like very sensitive. I mean, it cannot remain stuck in trucks for days, and that's exactly what is happening. A lot of unanswered questions, a lot of heat as far as Umar Abdullah is concerned or the government is concerned. At the same time, similar questions for the government of India, for the LG's admin, that what are they doing? Don't they know how these farmers are suffering? So now the hope is that the road will stabilize, and soon you will have a connection where these trucks can go, this apple produce can go, because still there is time that the season could be salvaged, and this extreme depression that the economy can go into if this is not salvaged, I mean, this is stopped, and these trucks really manage to go to the other side, and hope is that the highway will be restored now at the earliest with a stable connection. With camperson Tariq Lonmeer for East Srinagar for India Today.
नुकसान सब अरबों में खरबों में नुकसान हो गया लोगों का। कोई छोटा व्यापारी उसको छोटा हिसाब से नुकसान हो गया, कोई बड़ा व्यापारी है उसको बहुत नुकसान हो गया। सबको कुल मिला के सबको नुकसान हो गया, वो भी रोड के कारण से।